Come on, everybody, clap your hands. Ah, you're looking good. I'm gonna sing my song and it won't take long. Come on, let's twist, and it goes like this. Come on, let's twist again, like we did last summer. Yeah, let's twist again, like we did last year. Do you remember when things were really coming? Yeah, let's twist again, twisting time is here. Now round and round and up and down we go again. Oh baby, make me know you love me so again. Come on, let's twist again, like we did last summer. Yeah, let's twist again, like we did last year. Like we did last summer. Yeah, let's twist again, like we did last year. Yeah. Like we did last summer. Yeah, let's twist again, like we did last year. Come on, let's twist again, twisting time is here.
Hello everyone! Did you like the warm-up dance just now? I hope you do. Alright, sometimes it's nice to do something else once in a while to get you started before you really work on your belly dance techniques or drills. Alright, so let me just go through with you the combinations that we do in this short dance, this fun warm-up dance. Alright, so the music is called Let's Twist Again. Alright, so a lot of movements in this warm-up is all about the twist, but the twists that we are going to use in this warm-up dance are not really the belly dance twist that we do. Alright, so feel free to really twist. I'm even twisting my ankle together with my knee as I'm doing the twist. Alright, so for this dance, we are actually going to the side. Your hands are free to move as well. Alright, just move wherever you feel comfortable, and then going to this side. We will also lift up our knee on the 8. Alright, so we are going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the side twists. In this dance, in this warm-up, we are doing the front and back twist as well. It's exactly the same. It's just that we take our right leg front, and then we just twist as we shift our body and weight to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again on the 8, we lift up the leg, and then we go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We lean back, put our weight in at the back. Front again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so this is one part of the combo. And then there is one when he sings, round and round. Alright, so we're going to go around, going to the right side first, 4 steps. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to bring this leg in as we're going to do 4 twists going down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And going up. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you find that it's very hard for you to go down, you can just do a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you don't have to go down all the way. All right, and then we're gonna walk to the other side. Walk around 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna close this leg and we're gonna twist again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so this is the second combo. Okay, walk and twist, come up and walk and twist and come up. All right, so the last one, okay, maybe a little bit complex. We're going to go to the side, 1 and 2. All right, so basically just going to step. This leg is going to kick this leg off and step, and then this leg is going to step front. Okay, so let's see this again. 1 hop, 2 step, and then we're going to do the Charleston. We're going to step, we're going to kick, place, kick, back, and now the front leg is going to kick to the side, step to the back, keep to the side, step front. Weight change to the front leg. The back leg is going to kick, front. You're not going to shift the weight, you're just going to kick, front. Your weight is still here. Kick, back. Now you change weight. Kick, back, kick, front. Okay, so this is how the Charleston looks like. Kick and kick, back, kick, front, kick, front, kick, back, kick, front, kick, front, kick, back, kick, front. All right, so we're not going to do this too many times. I'm just going to count for you over here. So we're going to go 1 and 2, 3, 4, kick, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stays here on the last one. Because you're going to go to the other side. Your weight is at the back leg. We're going to go 1 and 2, 3, 4, going front first, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stays. And repeat. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So this is slightly more difficult, right? Now let's add the hands. When you go to the side, you can just put your hands at the side, or you want to push. It's up to you. All right. So if you want to push, it's basically just like this as you go to the side. So 1 and 2, 3, 4. For the 3, 4, you're going to prepare 3, 4, 5. So when your right leg goes front, your hands move to this side. You're going to swing this way. All right. So this will go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go to the side. 1 and 2. Prepare. 3, 4. Right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we repeat the walk around. Alright, so these are the small combos, the combinations that we will use throughout the dance. Alright, so now let's try this. Alright, without the music because it's pretty fast. Alright, so we go to the side first. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we only do one time of front and back. I think so. We will hear the music later on. And then we go around. Walk around. 4, going down. Going up. 2, 3, 4. Walk around. 2, 3, 4. Going down. 2, 3, 4. Up. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we are going to the side. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can add the head if you want to. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to walk around again. Twisting down, twisting up, walk around left, twisting down, twisting up, and then we repeat the top. Alright, so these are examples of the combination. You will usually listen to the music to know what combo to use. Alright, oh yeah, at the beginning there is a long intro. So that one is up to you to move however you want. You can just sway your body, you can step side to side, or you can just... Alright, so it's up to you during the intro to do whatever you want before he starts to swing. Come on, let's twist again. Alright, so let's try this.
Come on, everybody, clap your hands. You're looking good. I'm gonna sing my song and it won't take long. Come on, let's twist, and it goes like this. Come on, let's twist again, like we did last summer. Yeah, let's twist again, like we did last year. Do you remember when things were really cold? Yeah, let's twist again, twisting time is here. Now round and up and down we go again. Oh baby, make me know you love me so again. Come on, let's twist again, like we did last summer. Yeah, let's twist again, like we did last year. Summer. Yeah, let's twist again, like we did last year. Yeah. like we did last year. Come on, let's twist again. Twisting time is here.